Hey everybody, I am excited to bring you a video. I haven't really been creating lately, but I felt like I wanted to create a Christmas card, and the idea in my head, I think, looked better than the actual card, how it turned out. I can't figure out if I absolutely love this card or if, well, I won't throw it away, but if it's just not one of my favorites, I don't know how I feel about it yet. But I definitely wanted to use the new Altenew Poppy Garden stamp set. These florals are amazing. And what I'm doing here is I'm stamping some out on just some regular cardstock. I am wanting to kind of mask off this larger one so that I can stamp a smaller one right next to it so it looks like, you know, they're together and kind of in the same floral arrangement. And I am stamping on some watercolor paper, or yes, watercolor paper, with some VersaMark ink, and I stamp twice so that the VersaMark ink is really juicy on there and I get a nice crisp image. I am now adding some gold embossing powder from Ranger, and then I'm going to heat set that with my heat tool. And I absolutely love this. I love Ranger's embossing powder. I think that it is by far the best. All right, all of the supplies will be listed down below. I forgot to say that. So be sure to check out the supply list if you are wanting any of the supplies that I'm using today. All right, so I stamped out that smaller floral image, and then I'm adding the embossing powder there. I did use the, what is this? Bold alphabet die set from Altenew as well. I die cut out the word joy. And like I said before, my idea seemed better in my head than actually executing it. I don't know if it's because I wanted the joy to be red and I just could not get it red with these zig markers. It turned out more pink than anything. I don't know what it is. I can't decide if I really like this card or not. So let me know in the comment section if you guys like this card or if you feel like maybe I could have done something differently. Any constructive criticism, you know, is helpful. I did want to just upload this video anyways, just to show you guys that not everything that I create or any of your favorite content creators or crafters or card makers turns out perfect or exactly how they like. So this is a pure example of that. All right, so like I said, I cut out the joy and then I used the zig marker, which was geranium red, and I colored it. I tried my best to give it a little bit of depth as best I could. And now I popped up the letters onto just another piece of cardstock just to give a little bit more dimension on the card. I didn't want to add too much. I thought about adding foam underneath the letters to give it a lot of dimension, but I didn't want too much. I probably will be sending this out for Christmas. I don't send too many cards out for Christmas, but this one I might send to one of my grandmas or something. All right, so I am using the Deluxe Adhesive from Tonic Studios to adhere the letters down. And you'll just see here. And I can't forget that little piece that goes in the center of the O there. And let's see, I don't think I adhered them quite yet to the card base, and I did adhere the watercolor panel on top of just regular cardstock. I believe it is a scratch piece of Nina 110, so it's a little bit thicker than, you know, your Walmart brand or, you know, that sort of cardstock. All right, I'm very chatty today. I do not know why. All right, so I am adhering all of the letters down, making sure that they're all in place. I'm gonna get that J, and there we go. In the little top part, I need to get a uppercase large alphabet die set as well. All right, so I wanted to add something else. I stepped away for a while, came back, and I thought, you know what? I kind of like this, and this is when I was like, I don't know. And then I thought to add some splatters with the, what is that? The metallic accent watercolors from Prima. And then I stamped out a Merry Christmas sentiment. That's from a Hero Arts stamp set. It is called Happy Holidays. I will try to find it. I believe I got it from scrapbook.com maybe last year or the year before. It's one of my favorite Christmas stamp sets. That is going to complete the card. I did add some Nuvo drops actually to the the upper left and the lower right. And yeah, that's going to complete the card. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are new to my channel, I hope you subscribe. Hit that bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that like button. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.